Decorating promotional products takes a lot of warehouse space. Large spaces for embroidery machines, screen printing presses, and dryers take up a lot of room as well. And even massive custom dryers for specialty products. When embroidery is the decorating method, every color offered must be on hand to complete the job. Today we are focusing on the embroidered Big Un chair. Welcome to how promo is made. First, the worker must remove the tables of the embroidery machine to make room for the leg components of the chair. Each part of the table unlocks and is stored behind the machine. Once all of the tables have been removed, she will now make sure the correct thread color is loaded onto each sew head. The thread is pulled through the tubes and around tensioners down to the needle. She now has to carefully thread each needle per color of thread. This process is repeated on each sew head used for production. Next, the digitized logo, or tape, is loaded into the machine's computer. Some settings and parameters for this job are loaded as well. Now it's time to ready the chairs. Blank chairs are pulled from the warehouse. She will unbox and unwrap each chair, saving the covers for the finished product. Now the chairs are moved to the hooping area. She removes the screws on the back of the chair to release the top back pocket. She will now measure and mark the center of the pocket for imprint placement, using chalk that can be easily wiped off when done. The proper size of hoops are gathered for this job. She applies some tape to the top of the hoop to hold the two pieces together during the hooping process. Now the bottom piece of the hoop is slid into the pocket. She will center the hoop and pull the material tight. Once centered, she will press the two pieces together. Next, she takes the chair to the machine and puts the bobbin reel in and attaches the chair to the plotting frame, making sure the legs are under the center of the sew head. Now she will run a trace of the total logo size to make sure the presser foot does not hit the hoop. She then attaches the rest of the chairs to the machine. It's time for the embroidery to start. Sometimes the thread loops or doesn't grab the bobbin correctly, so she has to consistently be checking the embroidery quality and address any issues immediately. She runs this job slower than normal because of the weight of the chairs. The machine, using the loaded digitized tape, will switch colors and positions as needed. This particular logo has an average runtime of 27 minutes. All of the tensions and moving parts must work together. While the machine is running, she is preparing the next set of products if needed. Once sewing is completed, the machine will trim the thread and reset to the center position. Now she removes the hoop from the machine and chair. She slides the chairs over to the hooping area to reattach the screws to the back pocket. The order must be checked by another CSR before it can be shipped to the customer. Once approved, she puts the chairs back into the covers, zips up the covers, and puts them in a box for shipping. And that is how promo is made.